In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish Google AI Studio website. To get started, open your browser and go to Google AI Studio. If you're searching for it through Google, just look for the official Google AI Studio result and open that. Once you're on the platform, the first thing you want to do is head over to the My Apps section. This is where the projects and web apps you've already created are stored, so it's the right place to manage anything you want to publish. From there, click on your website. After selecting it, give it a moment to load fully. This is a good time to quickly check that you open the correct project, especially if you have more than one app or website in your account. Making sure you're in the right one before publishing can help you avoid pushing the wrong version live. Once the website is open and everything looks correct, click on Publish. This will open the publishing setup so you can begin the process of making your site available. Next, click Get Started. That takes you into the final setup stage. At this point, you'll have the option to edit your website URL. If Google AI Studio allows you to customize it, choose something clean, simple, and easy to remember. A short URL is usually better, especially if you plan to share it with other people. It also helps your published app look a little more polished and professional. When you're happy with the URL and ready to move forward, click Publish Your App. That's the final step that sends your website live. And that's it. Your Google AI Studio website should now be published. If you want to be safe, you can always open the live link afterward and do a quick check to make sure everything appears the way you expect. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.